Oh my gosh. Hello. It's been so long. I'm sorry I've been gone. There's just so much stuff that has happened in the last few months, but I'm back for now. I'm totally going to try to upload a video at least once a week, okay? So just bear with me. Once a week is at least what I'm going to be doing for now. Today, I just have some sausage and I have some biscuits with gravy, and I am going to be drinking some fruit punch. Yeah, it's kind of late at night. Everybody's in the back. My kids are hanging out watching a movie. My husband's sleeping. This is what I dug up for myself. So I'm hungry. I'm going to dig in, okay? I haven't had biscuits and gravy it's been a while. So this is going to be a yum. Gotta get that sausage and that gravy. sure not to get that red lip line from like Kool-Aid or fruit punch or whatever. Like if you're in kindergarten or something. Well, I finished that quicker than I thought I would. It was actually really good. Like I said before, I'm back. I'm slowly but surely back, but I am back. I'm going to post at least once a week. Like I said at the beginning of the video, I just had a lot of stuff to do. A lot of things happened. Not a lot of bad things, so it wasn't anything. Just I was busy. I had all kind of other things to do. So, but like I said, I'm glad to be back. I hope everybody's been doing well. Thank you for tuning in. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and I will see you next time, okay? Bye.